Deep inside India's most secure vaults lies a secret process that powers a nation of over 1.4 billion people. Unlike ordinary paper, Indian currency notes begin their journey not from wood, but from pure, resilient cotton fibers. This specialized high-grade cotton is carefully cultivated and harvested under strict quality controls across India's fertile belts. Once harvested, the raw material is packed and readied for its journey to the high-security manufacturing facilities. Arriving under heavy armed escort, the raw cotton enters the highly restricted zone of the government paper mill. Inside the secure warehouse, the cotton bales are logged, weighed, and prepared for the intense refining process. Every single batch must pass rigorous laboratory tests to ensure supreme strength, purity, and longevity. The approved cotton is fed into massive shredders, breaking down the tough fibers into a soft, consistent blend. The shredded fibers are then cooked in huge chemical digesters to remove natural impurities and starches. A high-pressure washing process purifies the pulp, leaving behind a resilient, snow-white fibrous slurry. The pulp is beaten mechanically, hydrating the fibers to create the ultimate structural bond required for banknotes. During this liquid stage, secret, microscopic security fibers are blended directly into the core of the wet pulp. Next, a specialized embossing cylinder presses a high-security watermark pattern into the wet paper fibers, creating a hidden design that becomes visible when viewed against light. Simultaneously, the windowed security thread is woven deep into the paper's structure, making it inseparable. The liquid slurry is laid out on a fast-moving wire mesh, transforming into a continuous sheet of paper. Heavy mechanical rollers apply immense pressure to squeeze out water and compact the fibers into a dense sheet. Traveling through multiple steam-heated cylinders, the paper is dried to the exact moisture levels required. Polished rollers compress the paper to give it a perfectly uniform thickness and an ultra-smooth, high-strength texture. High-precision laser scanners monitor the paper's thickness in real time, ensuring absolute uniformity down to the micron. The paper is coated with a special protective layer to resist sweat, dirt, water, and daily wear. The continuous, high-strength currency paper is wound into massive jumbo rolls, ready for the printing stage. Precision slitting machines cut the giant rolls into standard, manageable web widths, under strict supervision. High-speed automatic cutters slice the rolls, flat sheets, ready to receive the ink.
Technicians manually verify the paper's quality and watermark alignment before the actual printing begins.
Under maximum security, the pristine sheets are transported to the highly classified printing facility. Specialized, chemical-resistant inks are formulated in-house with secret color-shifting pigments. The first layer of background design is applied on advanced high-speed offset printing machines. Automated vacuum feeders handle the delicate sheets with extreme precision to prevent any misalignments. Both sides of the sheet are printed simultaneously, with complex, impossible to photocopy background patterns.
The sheets pass through UV drying tunnels, instantly curing the background ink before the next printing phase.
Heavy copper plates are meticulously to create the raised tactile print that is unique to real currency. Under immense pressure, the Intaglio press transfers thick, raised ink onto the paper, creating a tactile feel. Special raised printing creates tactile features that can be felt by touch, helping people with visual impairments identify the document more easily. Next, the color-shifting security thread is printed with optical variable ink, transforming under different viewing angles. Rotary screen printing adds an extra layer of security with shimmering, semi-transparent iridescent ink bands. Every tiny line of micro-lettering is verified under digital magnification to ensure absolute printing sharpness.
At every step, random sheets are pulled and checked against light boxes to ensure perfect alignment of all features.
The freshly printed sheets are stacked in temperature-controlled rooms to dry naturally and prevent smudging. The unique alphanumeric serial numbers are now prepared using high-precision, rotating mechanical numbering presses. Every single banknote receives 2 unique serial numbers, printed in fluorescent ink that glows vividly under ultraviolet light.
Passing under dark UV sensors, the glowing numbers are verified to ensure absolute clarity and 0 errors.
A final, ultra-thin protective varnish layer is applied to seal the inks and double the lifespan of the notes. The fully printed and varnished sheets make a final pass through drying tunnels to complete the curing process. The sheets are then fed into high-speed optical scanning machines that check every millimeter for defects.
Any sheet with even a microscopic ink smudge is instantly flagged and marked for destruction.
The verified sheets are perfectly aligned on vibrating jogging tables, ready for the final cutting phase.
Massive, ultra-sharp industrial guillotines slice the large sheets vertically with micromillimeter precision.
A second horizontal cut transforms the sheets into individual, finished banknotes of the exact standard size. The individual notes are processed through sorting machines. They organize them into perfect, uniform stacks.
Experienced quality control experts perform random manual audits to ensure absolute aesthetic perfection.
The verified notes are bundled into packets of 100 notes, tightly secured with automated paper bands.
10 individual packets are combined and sealed in thick, heavy-duty plastic shrink wrap to keep moisture out. The sealed bricks of currency are stored in highly secure, temperature-controlled subterranean vaults. Every single bundle is logged into a secure, encrypted inventory database for absolute traceability. Under tight security, currency bricks are loaded into heavily armored convoy trucks, destined for regional vaults. These heavily guarded convoys transport the fresh currency across India's vast and secure distribution network. Arriving at regional hubs, the currency is unloaded under the watchful eyes of security personnel. Simultaneously, used banknotes returned from commercial banks are sorted to separate the fit notes from the soiled ones. Damaged or dirty banknotes are automatically rejected and shredded into microscopic bits to maintain high clean note standards. The shredded waste is compressed into eco-friendly briquettes, ensuring zero environmental waste from the printing process. The freshly minted, approved notes finally make their way to thousands of ATMs across the country. Ready to be withdrawn, these crisp notes are delivered directly into the hands of waiting citizens. This sovereign paper drives daily commerce, supporting millions of businesses, small and large, every single second. More than just paper, it is a symbol of trust, hard work, and India's rapidly growing economic power. A perfect blend of technology, security, and trust, powering the dreams of a rising global economic powerhouse.
If you enjoyed this exclusive look inside India's money factory, please hit the like button, subscribe for more incredible documentaries, and share your thoughts in the comments below.